How to log in into Adams Tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your Adams Tax. So let's begin. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Firstly, open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will choose Safari. Now on the search bar, type Adams Tax Form and search for it. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this type of page. Once you are on this page, at the upper left side here you will see three dash line. Click on it. Once you click on it, here you will again see different options. Click on the account options at the upper side. Now finally here you will see four different options. Click on the sign in option. But if you don't have already account created on this, you can simply click on create an account option. But in order to log in into your account, tap on sign in and you will be directed to this page. Now finally enter your email address, password and verify that you are not a robot and you are good to go. In this simple way you can log in into Adams Tax. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.